Hello everyone, welcome to Math Cafe. This is Sulagna, your maths mentor. So in the last video, we have discussed about section A of sample paper which is issued by CBSE for class 10 term 1 examination. So in today's video, we'll discuss about section B. Section B also has 20 questions and you have to attempt 16 out of those 20 questions. Section A is totally study based, but section B, a little tricky question will come. So before starting the video, if you haven't seen the videos of different chapters, I have provided the link in the description box. So you can go through the links in the description box. So let's get started. Let's move to question number 1. Or you can say question number 21. If sum of two numbers is 1215 and their HCF is 81, then the possible number of pairs of such numbers are, you have to find out how many pairs can be possible. So HCF is 81, that means highest common factor is 81. So the numbers may be multiples of 81, that is 81x and 81y. And the sum is 1215. So 81x plus 81y is equal to 1215. So this implies that x plus y is equal to 1215 by 81. So let's divide this. 81, let's divide. I think it is divisible by 9. So this equals to 81, 81. 1s are 81, then 40, 405. So 81, 5s are 405. So answer is 15. X plus, this is not the answer for the question. X plus y equals to 15. So 81x is our number and 81y. So x plus y is equal to 15. So it will be paired like this. 1 and 14, then 2 and 13, then 3 and 12, then 4 and 11, then 5 and 10, 6 and 9, 7 and 8. And if you will reverse, then same number will come. And from these pairs, 6 and 9 is not possible because another multiple will come. 5 and 10 is not possible and 3 and 12 is not possible. So only co-primes pair will possible. So 1 and 14 is an option, 2 and 13 is an option, 4 and 11 is an option, and 7 and 8 is an option. So 4 pairs, that means option C is the right answer. Now let's move to question number 22. Given below is the graph representing two linear equations by lines AB and CD respectively. What is the area of the triangle formed by these two lines and the line x is equal to 0? This is very important. If you will take y is equal to 0, then the triangle is totally different. But here x is equal to 0, that means y axis and two lines. So the triangle is A, C and D. We have to find out the area of triangle A, C and D, this area. So what are the units? Here this is the altitude and altitude is 2. And calculate the base. Base is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So area is half into 6 into 2. So this is 6 square unit. So option C is the right answer here. So now let's move to the next question. If tan alpha plus cot alpha equals to 2, then tan 20 alpha plus cot 20 alpha, or you can say tan to the power 20 alpha plus cot to the power 20 alpha equals to how much? Is it 0 or 2 or 20 or 2 to the power 20? So here it is given tan alpha plus cot alpha equals to 2. So by using little common sense, you can get alpha equals to 45 degree. Or if you want to solve, you can solve also. This is sin alpha by cos alpha plus cos alpha by sin alpha equals to 2. So this implies that sin square alpha plus cos square alpha equals to 2 cos alpha into sin alpha. So sin square alpha plus cos square alpha will be 1. This equals to 2 cos alpha, and sin alpha will be sin 2 alpha. So what is 1? 1 is sin 90 degree. So 2 alpha is 90 degrees. So we can say alpha is equal to 45 degree. And tan 45 degree is equal to 1. And cot 45 degree is equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Now let's come to the question. Tan to the power 20 alpha. So tan alpha to the power 20 plus cot alpha to the power 20. This equals to 1 to the power 20 plus 1 to the power 20. That means 1 plus 1 equals to 2. So option B is the right answer here. Now let's move to the next question. If 217x plus 131y equals to 913 and 131x plus 217y equals to 827, then x plus y is, it's very simple. You have to add two equations. So 217 plus 131, 217x plus 131y equals to 913, and here 131x plus 217y equals to 827. So let's add these two equations. So x, it will be 8, 4 and 3 plus 348y equals to 7 plus 3, 10, 0, 1, here 4 and 9 plus 8, this is 17. So x plus y equals to 1740 divided by 348, and this equals to 348, 1740. So it will be 5, because 5 8s are 40 and 340 into 5 is equal to 1700. So x plus y equals to 5. So answer is option A. Now let's move to the next question. The LCM of two prime numbers P and Q is 221. Find the value of 3P minus Q. Here you have to apply trial and error method. This question will take time. 221 and prime numbers. So let's divide 221 with different prime number. So 221 is not divisible by 2. It is not divisible by 3. And it is not divisible by 5 also. So let's start from 7. So if we divide this with 7, 21 and 11. So it is not divisible with 7 also. Then the next prime number is 11. So 221 divide, it is not divisible with 11 also, because 2 plus 1 is not equals to 2. So now let's move to the next number, that is 13. 221 divided by 13. So 13 ones are 13 and 91. Then 13 sevens are 91. So our prime numbers are 13 and 17. But here it is written P is greater than Q. That means 17 is equals to P and 13 is equal to Q. And what we have to find out? 3P minus Q. So 3 into 17 minus 13, that is 51 minus 13. So this is 38. So option C is the right answer here. Now let's move to the next question. A card is drawn from a well-shuffled deck of cards. What is the probability that the card drawn is neither a king nor a queen? So how many cards are there? There are total 54 cards, from which 4 king cards plus 4 queen cards, 8 king and queen cards. So neither a king nor a queen. That means the probability is 52 minus 8 divided by 52. So 44 by 52, that is 11 by 13. So option A is the right answer. Question number 27. Two fair dice are rolled simultaneously. The probability that 5 will come up at least once is, so how many options will be there? There will be total 36 options, and at least one time 5 should be there. So the options will be 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, and 5 6. And this is for the first dice. And 5 can be present in the second dice also. So 1 5, 2 5, 3 5, 4 5, and 6 5. Because 5 and 5 is the repetition. So there are total 11 times when 5 will appear at least once. So probability will be 11 by 36. That means option B is the right answer. Now question number 28. If 1 plus sine square alpha is equal to 3 sine alpha into cos alpha, then the value of cot alpha. So if we want cot alpha here, what we have to do? We have to divide this with sine square alpha. Generally in this type of questions, the equation having or the portion having the highest degree should be divided. So this implies that 1 plus sine square alpha divided by sine square alpha equals to 3 sine alpha by cos alpha divided by sine square alpha. So it will be 1 by sine square alpha plus sine square alpha by sine square alpha. So this is cosec square alpha plus 1. Don't leave the 1 here. People generally leave it. Equals to sine cancel. So 3 cot alpha. And what is cosec square alpha? Cosec square alpha is 1 plus cot square alpha. So 2 plus cot square alpha here and 3 cot alpha here. So cot square alpha minus 3 cot alpha plus 1 equals to 0. So it is in the form of a quadratic equation. This is 2. So cot square alpha minus 2 cot alpha minus cot alpha plus 2 equals to 0. This implies that cot alpha minus 2 minus 1 into cot alpha minus 2 equals to 0 implies that cot alpha minus 2 into cot alpha minus 1 equals to 0 implies that cot alpha equals to 2 or 1. So option C is the right answer. Question number 29. The vertices of a parallelogram in order are A, B, C, D, whose coordinates are 1 and 2, 4 and y, x and 6 and d is 3 and 5. Then what is xy? So if you find the sides of the parallelogram, then the process will be lengthy. One thing you know, the diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. So what are the diagonals? AC and BD. So they bisect each other. That means the middle point of AC equals to the middle point of BD. So what is the middle point of AC? This is 1 plus x by 2 and 2 plus 6 by 2, that is 4. And what is the middle point of BD? 4 plus 3 by 2, that is 7 by 2, and y plus 5 by 2. So by equating these two, we can easily get the value of x and y. So this implies that 1 plus x by 2 equals to 7 by 2. That means 1 plus x is equal to 7. So x is equal to 6. And what about y? For y plus 5 by 2 equals to 4 implies that y is equal to 8 minus 5 equals to 3. So 6 and 3, that means option A is the right answer. Now question number 30. In the given figure, angle ACB equals to angle CDA. AC is 8 centimeter, AD is 3 centimeter. Then we have to find out the length of BD. So two triangles are given and this angle equals to this angle and two sides are given. So let's try to make two triangles similar. So which angles are given? Angle ACB equals to angle CDA. So let's take the larger triangle ACB and angle CDA. Triangle CDA. So in between triangle ACB and triangle CDA, our angle ACB equals to angle CDA already given, and angle A is the common angle. So we can say from AA criteria, triangle ACB is similar to triangle CDA. And as both the triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides will be proportional. So what are the corresponding sides? So AC by AB equals to AD by AC. This implies that what is AC? AC is 8 divided by 3 plus BD equals to 3 by 8. So this implies that 9 plus 3BD equals to 64, implies that BD is equal to 64 minus 9, that is 55 by 3. So option C is the right answer. Now question number 31. The equation of the perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining points A 4, 5 and B minus 2, 3 is, so we have 2 points A and B. A has coordinates 4 and 5 and B is minus 2 and 3. So this is the perpendicular bisector. We can easily get the point C, but we want an equation. We want an equation, not the point. So let us take point P here, whose coordinates are xy. So whatever point will lie on this line will satisfy the equation. So P is also satisfying the equation. So now we know AP is equal to BP because this equals to this and this is 90 degree and CP is common. So what is the distance of AP? Or we can write that AP square equals to BP square. So this implies that x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square equals to x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square implies that x square minus 8x plus 16 plus y square minus 10y plus 25 equals to x square plus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 6y plus 9. So by solving, it will be cancelled. So this implies that minus 8x and 4x. So this is minus 12x and minus 10y minus 6y. So this is minus 4y minus 10y plus 6y. So minus 4y and plus 16 plus 25 minus 4 minus 9 will be 28 equals to 0. So which is the equation similar to this? Minus divided with 4. So minus 3x minus y plus 7 equals to 0. So any equation in this form? No. But we have 3x plus y minus 7 equals to 0. So option D is the right answer. Now next question, in the given figure, D is the midpoint of BC. That means CD equals to BD. Then the value of cot y degree by cot x degree. Here this is angle x and the bigger angle is y. So cot y degree is equal to, this is, suppose this is base and this is P. Cot y, that means B by P. So B by P and cot x degree is AC by CD. So what is CD? CD is P by 2. So 2B by P. So cot y by cot x is equal to B by P divided by 2B by P. So 2BB cancel, PP cancel, and answer will be 1 by 2. So option B is the right answer here. Now question number 33. The smallest number by which 1 by 13 should be multiplied so that its decimal expansion terminates after 2 decimal places. So for termination of decimal, the denominator should be a multiple of 2 or 5 and 2 and 5. So here the denominator is 1 by 13. So first what we have to do, we have to multiply with something so that denominator will be cancelled. 13 will be cancelled. So let's take the numerator 13. But the smallest, we want the smallest number and the decimal expansion terminates after 2 decimal. So now 2 options are left, A and B. C and D are wrong. So 2 decimal places we want. So that we have to take 13 by 100. If the decimal place is 1, then 13 by 10 will be the answer. So this is 13 by 100. So option A is the right answer. Now question number 34. Side AB and BE of a right angle at B of length 16 centimeter and 8 centimeter. So it is given AB is 16 and B is 8 centimeter respectively. The length of the side of the largest square FDGB that can be inscribed in the triangle AB is. So we want this length, this length is X. So this is a square. So this FD is parallel to B. So this angle equals to this angle. This is the common angle and this is 90 degree. So we can say triangle AFD is similar to triangle AB and E. So that means AF by AB equals to FD by BE. So what is AF? If this is X, AF is 16 minus X. So 16 minus X divided by 16 equals to FD is X by BE. This is 8. So this is 2 implies that 16 minus X is equal to 2X. That means 3X is equal to 16. So X is equal to 16 by 3 centimeters. So option B is the right answer. Now 35 point P divides the line segment joining R 1, 3 and S 9, 8 in the ratio K is to 1. If P lies on the line X minus Y plus 2 equals to 0, then find the value of K. So we can find the point P which is dividing the points R and S in the ratio K and 1. So the coordinates of the point P will be 1, 3 and 9, 8 and the ratio is K and 1. So 9K minus 1 divided by K plus 1 and 8K plus 3 divided by K plus 1. So if now we'll put this value in this equation because the point P will also satisfy this line. So in case of X, let's write 9K minus 1 divided by K plus 1 and instead of Y, minus 8K plus 3 divided by K plus 1 plus 2 equals to 0. So this implies that 9K minus 1 minus 8K minus 3 plus 2K plus 2 equals to 0 implies that 3K minus 2 equals to 0 implies that K is equal to 2 by 3. So option A is the right answer. Now let's move to question number 36. A figure is given ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter with EFGH as the midpoints of sides AB, BC, CD and DA. So this is 7 centimeter. This is 7 and this is 7, 7, 7, 7 and this is also 7 and 7 centimeter. The area of the shaded region we want. So area of the shaded region, if we divide the square in two parts like this, the area of the shaded region is the area of the semicircle plus the area of the half of square minus this quadrant and this quadrant. So the area will be area of semicircle whose radius is 7 centimeter. So half pi r square is the area of the semicircle. This minus what will this plus area of the half of square. Half of square means 14 square by 2 and this minus 2 into theta by 360 pi r square. So what is theta? Theta is 90 degree. So 1 by 4 pi r square. So this is 1 by 2 pi r square. So we can cancel this 1 by 2 pi r square and this 1 by 2 pi r square. So our answer will be 14 square by 2, that is 196 by 2 is equal to 98 centimeter square. So option C is the right answer. Now let's move to question number 33. A figure is given Olympic ring made by taking 5 congruent circles of radius 1 centimeter each. So each radius is 1 centimeter intersecting in such a way that the chord formed by joining the points of intersection of two circles is also of length 1 centimeter. That means this chord is also 1 centimeter and if O is the center, this radius is 1 centimeter. So this is forming an equilateral triangle here. total area of all dotted regions assuming the thickness of the rings to be negligible is, so we have to find out area of this segment, this minor segment into 2. So this equals to this. So here we have to find out 2 segments, here 2, here 2 and here 2. So total 8 segments. So 8 into theta by 360 into pi r square, that is the area of the total sector, minus area of equilateral triangle. So what is the height of equilateral triangle? That is root 3 by 2. So 1 by 2 into root 3 by 2 into 1. 1 is the base or side, you can say. So this is equal to 8 into 60 by 360, that is 1 by 6 pi r square. R is 1. So 1 by 6 pi minus root 3 by 4. So option D is the right answer. Now look at here, if 2 and 1 by 2 are zeros of px square plus 5x plus r, then what is the value of p and r? So 2 and 1 by 2 are the zeros. So the equation is k into x minus 2 into x minus 1 by 2 equals to 0, implies that we can cancel the k here. So x square minus 2x minus 1 by 2x plus 1 equals to 0, implies that this is 5 by 2x. So 2x square minus 5x plus 2 equals to 0. So if we convert this as the former equation, that is minus 2x square plus 5x minus 2 equals to 0, then p and r both equals to minus 2. So option B is the right answer here. Now let's move to question number 39. The circumference of a circle is given. The side of a square inscribed in the circle is, so if this is the circle and the square is inscribed in this, that means the diagonal of the square equals to the diameter of the circle. So pi d equals to 100 centimeter. That means d is equal to 100 by pi. And what is the side of the square if diagonal is known? Side is equal to d by root 2. So this is equal to 100 by root 2 pi, or we can write 50 root 2 by pi. So option C is the right answer. Now question number 40. This is the last question of section B. The number of solutions of 3x plus y or 3 to the power x plus y is equal to 243. And 243 to the power x minus y equals to 3. So let's solve the solutions. 3 to the power x plus y equals to 243. That means 3 to the power 5. Implies that x plus y equals to 5. This is our first equation. Then 243, that means 3 to the power 5 x minus y equals to 3 to the power 1, implies that 5x minus 5y equals to 1. So from these two equations, we can find out that a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. So this has an unique solution. That means number of solution equals to 1. Option B is the right answer. So today we have solved entire section B of our sample paper. So in the next video, we'll solve the section C, which is case study based. I hope you are enjoying the video. So please like the video and do subscribe my channel. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, work hard and keep studying and do a lot of practice.